chez les reines, fils de pute, ouais, c'est moi qui commande. Je suis dans le bloc sa mère, je suis dans le bloc sa mère. Ça fait ça les camés, va avec la drogue ça paye, va avec la drogue ça paye. On voulait lever, on a eu le L, j'ai voulu me faire, mais j'ai vu.
Yes, don't take small. Don't be small. Just wake up early morning, matter so. Yes.
J'ai compté toute la nuit. Je suis pas notonné, t'es même en hiver. En instant, je fais ton salaire à l'année. Toi, tu parles dans mon dos. Je regarde dans le rétro, je te vois derrière. Tu nous veux du mal à les baisses, ta mère. On finira jamais les fesses à l'air. Ton gel, eux, faut que ta barre. Et ceux qui veulent nous abattre. Je veux pas de, je fais banda.
Yes, Voice is back. Yeah, that is voice for it. And so, that is how we see him now. Yes. Good morning, my brothers and sisters. This is Voice of Justice is back to the age Jerome. This of say we are already close to the system of catapult in Edo State politics 2020. You know, say we don't close to 2020 now. So more we begin tell them. Because some people want start. I agree to my big brother. Man, we are all fine. And you, my bro? Good morning. We are all fine. We are all okay. And you too? Oh, share the video. A little message to about Obaze, the cracked box. Message to about Obaze and the Edo youth. Share the video. You know, say this time the word of wisdom and knowledge, understanding. So you have to be focused this time, so that if they happen, as it happen for Buhari time, Voice of Justice come out, play music for Omoyele show, right? Take it back. I spend my sleepless nights with my niggas, you know, prepare, tell Nigeria youth, say, if not given to Baba again, you'll get us a bill because we don't see him. Papa say, waiting, sit down, they look. He say, if son stand on top of high story building scraper, man, say can never see that. We that live in diaspora, especially the freedom fighter, PFM, we only use my scrolls to watch a kind of error in our city, in our country, because we they see something this side when we see and say, man, those things what we see now small money that they prepare them, everywhere look good. If they do it for our city as Nigeria, people, our brothers now when they fight themselves, some our sisters now when be say, man, because of hungry, now make her they come off for house, say okay, they go Bamako, they go Mali, they go Ghana, all those area, Africa country, go they look for daily bread. They feel they occupy there, they go they work there. So if those things not happen for our time, now make us with the verse. We go come out, we'll begin the insult, we go come out, we'll begin to tell them, say, Papa, money where you they carry every day, with the year and say you they get house for Dubai, you they build house, your children they school for Canada. But those money, so what we they see for the place where we they live. If you carry those money, maybe you cut into to reserve, take do one for our land. Our people go they walk where. So nobody go they fight themselves. Everybody go they occupy themselves. According to that one brother, I won't be saying, man, yesterday on your own side, I watch for just about, we voice, we only go to everybody information, get what you want, what people say according to social media. So from there you go for Georgie. That is why this message go to Abbott. I listen to that bro, that bro. Yeah, he encourage youth. He pick graduates when be say, man, one go they drive Okada. They pick them for street, they put them for job, they give them many things when be say, man, they go occupy. The one will be electrician go there, the one will be financial system go there, the one will be say, man, justice be say, man, a trader go there. Yeah, she and say now on your system. Now what we want now be that. But I still they tell that brother, say, make it still they talk to governments. For me, or not be say, me I tell him for this period now, that brother won't be say, me in the employ the graduates, so they follow one brother go in graduation, so that brother now the driver they go your stamp. I believe say he won't give that brother job. Fine, I clap for you, bro. May God bless you for you to encourage our graduates. Tell them, say, man, government not fit turn our life like that. Everything will still be okay. So, because why we Voice of Justice, we use and say, brother, they will be say, me graduates where now Okada rider, now they ride for my city. Graduates, now Keke na Pesh, now they ride, we sing. We use and sing music, the time we sing, take it back to Omoyele. You understand? So that one, they one side. So I thank you, my big brother. I will remember your name again. You understand? So, but you throw some word to a little brother that me, myself, I want even throw some words, join those matters. So, those matters now politics. So, the politics can go say, man, this one now they carry SMG. This one now get your own crook. This one now get your own pompation crook. You understand? So I still listen to songs. They say, man, bros, you where they come my house, you don't carry your head, you don't tie them, put for your bedroom. So in where you want custom meat, you know, see they don't see handcuff is 2 hand. Based off say, brother, I want to tell you say now politics now they talk about so. Mega comrades Officer Clement Iranomigo Edegbe, the open leader of PFM. You have said it before. Say, brothers and sisters, Amenodena, this heavy rain, this heavy rain that breeze, wind, everything, in the follower, say, no, go knock one person, say, go knock everybody. If you go reach the old papa there, when be say, they inside the politician, he go knock them. Say, the rain, or what more we know, now early morning rain, you be say me aerial bokarompa. You know they toss one person. Everybody must collect them. You get cow, you get play, you get jetto. You must collect that rain. Why am I saying this? You can look at my brothers and sisters in Benin. We never enter 2020. My niggas now, we never enter 2020. You they see her now say man, if you know say you they come my house, your head, you know tie and put for house. The other one say, before you carry me or carry my friend, 3 person go die. Bros, Mona look now, those states now be that too, brothers and sisters. And those states now be that too. And they say, those states so, now they inside Poto when be say, man, no one of them talk about time. All of them, when they talk, say, you go carry your head, you tie for us. You go carry this one, you tie for you. That's no one talk about them. Now, it don't reach the time for power. You see all of them, they come out for social media now. About they doing they come out. About Ekuwe like governor. My brother, we matter time, my brother. About Egeko Ekpolog, Ekuwe do aje na. Oi do we maybe there isort you know egera isort dim egimedo agere na isort we be we mudia we magi na a boy we got tin we medion we the agbo ania we gi mania we ma begi mege obo me are defeated ela elare na Africa you dey o go ma be we work here din won ro gbim ekoyim you are a small boy echonsa you are a small boy every year go every proud we bo bros na so this one you no carry head come off for us guy e mata areme amostota e mata areme about now you are the talk to e mata areme amostota understand we are winning a governor where we're okay 4+4 but sorry to say sorry my brothers and sisters Emiro no keke we be se me na do agbina we ugwegenia we gbina ye 4+4 uworo we na gbina ye 4+4 we gbina ye 4+4 investment rokporopa to e use rokporopa we be se me no keke ni anwo mi we ha okpe na no ri win amena e ya wa win lele e ya wa vote na o wa we gbere e godun pa we ya everybody is complaining all the youth me the munapa the youth menania about make I tell you wetin be the work where only the youth where Edo youth get now mobilize protests against brother and brother politician and politician oh no that thing no dey. That is why I first thank that brother that said oh in the employ graduates this brother can wire his car from the starting to the ending. I thank you. May God bless you. And may God give you more wisdom to talk to those people. Not be to carry compassion. The other one can say compassion. The other one, you say before they go protest, about 9 nights they take the protest. 9 nights. About take time for this election guy. Ude. Ude ni awari enwe where here where over your hankere or big one wodo maybe they tear wa because it deal where I know say I senior you very well and you know very well for that family or no biju any. So if I'm telling you a word, I'm a politician, you can see what happened in Lagos. Because where Edokpa where Ojeimi where Ojeimi Edokpa Jovier. You can see what happened in Lagos. Our PC leader Nikawa Dule, Nikawa Gbelo isi. Bem, very Buhari kanao. Bem, many of them, Yahulo what is one. He get one fine brother. Now DJ, now from the guy was living in UK in the name of politician. He descend. The guys, is they okay? They fit. They okay, look good, get good thing. Maybe say maybe that the politics now they give her money or in one high in post. Now make us still come make it get money because many those Nollywood they don't they run go inside politician for that side. So now made that DJ come. You see what he happened to that DJ? Play, go short meet him. They rush and go hospital before you know what the DJ don't pass the pim. Because why? If they want really fight people, now people where they bring word go out. Now from another person where small picking where they no say he no get head. Now they want control make it shoot you. Bros, I they tell you say politics. When be say me Adam Alio Omsomule and Godwin Obaseki want create for Benin so. When be say me the two of them the both side una the clap. The both side una the clap. This one they say you will want come meet me, you not put your head for us. This side they say you will want come meet me, you not put your head for us. No, say not be only one, only you. Now they go that mission. Now one carry youth when we say that they clap for 1,005, that they clap for 2,005. Now I want to go that mission. You the mission just now say about say this man stand straight beam with your squad. You stand straight beam. You know you person where one commit, you not still put your Tony Kabaka still say person where one commit, you not still put your for see as soon as they talk Oga Tony, Comrade Tony Kabaka, you say, for this politics, you still come out, tell the CP, the IG say, if anybody die for this election matter, we hold this one or this one accountable. We not go hold this one or this one accountable. The people will go hold accountable now be una where they send. Una will go do that mission. Now we wait the social media they wait for. May we carry una, may we spread una for the world now be the mafia. Because why? What it make tiger get power? Now the teeth and the finger and the power where God give them. Who what it make politician get power? Now the crook, the thug, the masters, the generals, as you say, the generals. Now there, now it made the politicians get power. If all those one not go for them, then they go the rightful way. If we not there for them, now I made them, we not feel they get the rightful person we go lead us to our destiny based of say, how God talk them, we must get leader. But the leader one that they give us, now the leader one that they shoot gun, come they put for post. Now the leader one that they shoot passion, come they put for post. Una see the consequences where they cost now. Now be the problem when be say Edo people get now. Bros, I want to tell you about what to make me they evolve you, because why? You stand gidigba for governor, but stand for truth. No stand for fight, shoot, gun. Because why? If it happen, oh yeah, man, you go see him. Because why? Now blood, now they flay. All of them not be iron. If iron come, it go enter. Now make me, I want to tell you, say, but we PFM, we are coming for 2020. In my day, I waiting my dear governor, I waiting my dear senate, I waiting my dear House of Assembly. But every no man do. Okay, you know where? Every no where man do. Sorry, my brothers and sisters, because this rain is just for more. Okay, you know where every no man, I will bring them out. I bring her out. So, okay, we want no one mudia we guy. I don't state now we more bring person we be say me go constantly condemn or put us for inside poto. Bros, we go tell you say one mwe so gwa. The old they are nowhere. I have a man social media is support you anywhere, bros. If they see the truth, and they support you. Fair. Because why? You are a young politician who support deep into the politician. But on your own system now, you want to be a thug. Agberu. A talk to politician, you are a graduate. You are a graduate. Now if you want to be a talk to those people, as you say, okay, now if this one yourself, you go say bye-bye. You say now, Governor Obaseki, wait till you want to make it go to evolve maybe after ruling 8 years, governor, vice, this minister of finance, fine, based on when you were getting ready, when no one say no. Because we're there, but Osalo Bona time where rere be very Osalo Boa and we be Musa. Opa and we be and Musa na ya lead diviosa. Moses or Mamwe be ya lead diviosa to the promised land before King hand over to Joshua. Or Mamwe be or Matie be or Maze Bovene Vene Matia Esikpogo, amaze bove sikpogo, because ebo de sikpogo ze, titi biti doya liye kere mio gianyane. Because osikpogo, he always send people, everybody will be click. But titi biti re wina wugbo, those are the construction people, where we need for our land, make it do something for us. Titi biti, mama ni de sikpogo. Now make us say this 2020, bros, if we are telling you, we will tell you through our hearts. When we have the ball like you stand. Stigma. You know one watch devil. You know one. We don't know what to be devil. We don't want to know. All what we know what to be good for our people. Me when we na. Even when I'm not we honey. We no wena. Man, what have you see yo, Bonnie? No, why oh, show mule. Oh, show mule. Baba must complete 4 years. We needed to be occupied for good word. Because why? We occupy now we fit take we. But if I came my fit take me, area we bojega, and we bomahaverio. According to that brother, maybe that guys, let me tell you now about your cracking ball team organization don't reach 1 year now. Fine. Don't reach 1 year now. Now niggas they will follow you. Now youth they will follow you. How many don't you build house as you build? How many don't you get car they drive in the name of say they will follow about as cracking box for that society? How many don't you now all those one we want they ask you now? Not be your you don't say your belly don't it don't big now. You don't come up for from your hand to a pa. To a partner, you go enter a dioma in the name of say you want move akpa a dioma job. This one is not a sort of word or when maybe a problem or maybe because you go and amigo go. No, I'm telling you the truth. Where a bag where now a Tony where they know or they know. If you don't want to know, make it know. If you don't want to know, you know, and the whole world is waiting for you for that. No guy where maybe you want bring yourself to the place where be some you that's not take some governor. We not any a governor no a what minister a DSS or the organ of DSS. If you they work on this, even though you get escort, if they work out 24 hours, if God meet time, go die. He go die. Una sit in a gun until they play. Election never reach. Una know the yak. So if you they do things now, because I can see now, especially you, one said, Comrade Tony Kabaka, one said, una they share Edo youth heart. And so that they share them. You want carry one side, go governor. Tony Kabaka want carry one side, go Osomule. But not be waiting we need now be that. Waiting we need, you go bring all of them one place. They go bring work for all of them. They go occupy. They are not police. They are not DSS. They are not army. They are not force. There's a mobile police that will be shooting gun or protest. Inside protest, you the year gone. Now, I'm going to say this one say not put yes because where the law enforcement agency is already dead. They already buried it in Benin. They already buried it. The law enforcement agency, all what they know how to arrest Yahoo boys, how to arrest Usti Magi for a Kyosa, how to arrest Usti Tudara or uno spread things where for Tyrod, how to arrest them. Now they know. But they don't see an answer, man. The Togri, they are pumping and they are spreading all what they have to fight this 2020. But we go still they remember una. Anyone will come out for inside, we would tell una. Say CIB. Na Tony Kabaka say in all us now that is everywhere full na military base. Now anybody where they come not get not put here for us. Now about say insist now. Now about say he still there gidigba. All the boys everywhere they. All those boys not be una papa una mama born there. And all those Edo youths make I just give una own system of stylists. Now not see Buhari time. I not say people sit there. Those are the rituals where the politicians they do. Before they come to power, people must die. That is why before God do things for you, you must do a sacrifice. What is that sacrifice? Open your heart to God. Make a good fasting. Let God know say, man, you follow your own law. That is how politicians do. They follow the law of Lucifer. People must die. Innocent people must die. Not their family, not their brother, not their wife, not their children, not their in-laws. It's a those citizen who's going to die. Bros, nothing say, man, you this election now you want to make them anyhow make you put your body. If this election go, that is bros. A doctor Jeremy Jovier. Believe me. You understand? Every day for thief. One day for the owner. Believe me, I just one word. You understand? Because ekenamu nuna ewe in law, in society, amakeke nu wakwa now for many years video. Now, I say now you'll see what happened to Don Wane in Imo State. Those guys, those military, na governor na use there as they use na so. But last, what happened to Don Wane? They wipe his family. If now let Buhari evolve, they go wipe all of now. But you are bad where they talk about so. They go call na talk. As soon as they press him, you deal with your pompous una day una side, una carry una head. This one not put your head. See, if now let the made people evolve, they go wipe una. As they wipe their Don Wane. Don Wane get estate to get hotel, get everything for Imo State. You understand? Bros, I beg you now. Mona not use Edo State to change to that system. Mona not use Edo State to change to that system. Mona let the person where be say, may God save for us for this 2020 because why? We don't see blood. We don't see rain. We don't see die. We don't see oppression. All the youth of Edo State, both the men and the women, they don't see what it be oppression. If now this 2020 God want liberate, una when one bring cost, there is a setback on it. Una go see and say, man, as it never starts, so una go the knock on our ass, back. So the meetings go come out, go pack all of una. They go do the election, they go do everything for una back. Una go there, if una not go there Nigeria, they go pick you now. The real people will really need security of that Edo State, because Edo State don't to suffer. Now you see us, Lagos State don't they feel us small now. You see Lagos State don't they feel us small now. In the name of Oroshan, you very soon you will see all those big okpoto for inside Lagos State now. Even there's the Tinubu there, all of them don't they laugh now. I want to build house for Lekki. They don't they feel them now. Because why? It starts from Edo State. Edo State is the papa of Lagos. Edo State is the papa of Lagos. If na no, mook na no. You understand? So, if, say this time, no, just get up, say, hey, bros, nothing they happen, all my boys. Inside there, so, mona see person where they say they play graduates. Now they fight politicians. And they fight all those people when they say, man, they all did their own and they believe, say, man, no, one give them the power where they want as an enemy governor or whatever, the post where they want to go for 2020. About French say, c'est pas la force, c'est la tête. It's not power, it's sense. Okay? You understand? Bros, I believe Edo where Emokpata Mumenwe or Sekwa Kui. You understand? Right from the day one, only they give about message. So it even tap me to no be hen Bob. Guy, they are surprised as that may just did not they listen to anybody. You understand? So but at the time, so Edo where or it can know Neme or a little ladin yege. Many people have died for inside the politicians. I don't know George with gunshots. In the name of politics, no. I don't know many people with gunshots in the name of politics, no. Hello, my love. Hello. I'm on a Medina. Me real life. Just like that too. Just like that too. Many people, when they lost their soul in the name of that politics, I don't know. But I not forget where it is. Even so much why I base of saying get power to talk. It get power to stop governor. It get power to stop this. I agree and you know what. It ain't way I never get it. Bet Inyani ya boya. Igo ni ya make me ya fene. Eri ya make ese. Eri ya make ese, but they will die one day. The same thing they kill those people. The same thing they kill those innocent Nigeria people when be supposed to rule us. The same thing. They will die one day. No matter their birthday, no matter their flexing, no matter their whatever, bro. Okay, by sword must surely die by sword. When you kill one blood, I believe that blood is already flowing on you, and you will continue killing. And no sin, and no forgiveness that will forgive you. Even though you go to church, say, God forgive me. Lie. Because why? It's already written in the book of the law of the Lord. Who kill by sword, you must surely die by sword. When you kill so, you understand? Believe me, say, man, you must surely die one day, like as you kill those people. You understand? So believe me. So anyone will be saying made a ready or whatever, but we will still ready for them to use their blah 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 blah. To use their basket, everything. To show them to the people, to show them to the world where those are the people where they kill our land. Those are the people where they pursue us, come out for us. And we must surely tell it, people. Thank you very much. God bless you, brothers and sisters. This is Voice of Justice. I not too much get word about. I just listen to your word. I listen to Iran Amigo. I listen to that brother. I listen to a lot of people. But I just want to tell you people that all what we need, 2020, we not go sleep. We go continue let you know. No say my bros. Now, what we don't do bath is enough. For this erosion will happen for Edo State, so we know how many of our papa and our mama die for inside the name of say this will carry my house. So now this house now they give me house rent. All those are the way where our papa, our mama take the shop small. If they not get anything, they go still build out for beneath the house now. Then from there now rent will come rent and from there the shop. My brothers and sisters, I believe you, this erosion matter, it flush all those tenants, it flush their property, it flush their house, it flush all whatever that is it spoil the papa business, spoil the mama business. Many die put, even they not get to hospital to treat themselves. Even many carry malaria for inside the poto where they see so now. But hospital not there for Benin will be some take all of them. So enough is enough. For this 2020, we will never look you people eye. No matter una passion, we go narrate una, we go interpret una, we go give na what una want. Thank you very much to my people. God bless you as you share this video. Oba talk by my mega comrade Officer Clement. I remember you, sir. Good morning. One love.